So it's 2 days before Christmas. No, 1 full day before Christmas, is it?
25th?
Yes. So it's 1 day and a half before Christmas, and our next meal is something Lithuanian. We are doing a pink soup.
Beetroot soup with the ribs.
They call it beetroot soup with ribs.
I absolutely love it.
Darling, can you show us your muscles, please? Anyways. Oh, it's getting very pinky. Yay. It's not all about the looks. It looks fantastic, but it tastes even better. We put fresh ribs this time, but usually we use smoked ribs. We put the ribs cooking in the fast cook for half an hour, and when the meat is done, then the rest is very easy, and it needs maybe 15 minutes max, isn't it? Something like that. So we are doing the hot pink soup because there is a cold version, which is completely different story. And now, as the ribs are almost boiled, I will prepare the rest. I'm going to cut 3 potatoes, 1 big carrot.
Find me in the corner of the room, not ready to resume, 'cause like I'm taking, don't wanna be alone, but I'm not in the zone. I'm looking for somebody.
1 bigger onion. Oh no, darling, I'll be crying.
I don't want to cry. Do you want to cut it?
Okay, so Davos is going to cut the onion because I have makeup. I don't want to ruin it.
In small pieces. Like that.
You're talking to yourself, darling?
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm kidding. Perfection. The meat is boiled. We've put inside 5 of these. I don't know the name. Where is it? I don't see the leaves. 5 of these leaves we put inside. Lavro. Now I'll put the onions, potatoes and carrots inside.
Carrots and potatoes, approximately 10 minutes.
So 10 more minutes boiling. Yummy. Find me in the corner.
I'll show you which beetroot we use. It's usually the Lithuanian version we love the most because it's the best. Dovas always choose it, and it's like small pieces inside. Yum. Darling, can you show us your muscles, please?
Give me that.
Your hair is... Anyways. Wow. Thank you. Achu. This is how it looks like. And now we'll put it with the liquid, the whole jar inside. And now boiling for 5 more minutes.
Find me.
If you like it more softer, then you can do it even for 10 minutes, but the beetroots we like more al dente, so we'll boil it for 5 minutes. You can add more salt. You try it and you add a little bit more salt and a little bit of black pepper. In the end, you put dill. We usually keep in the freezer fresh dill, and you put a lot. Voila! Our pink paradise is done. And you put fresh cream on top. Sour cream. Loads. So in the end, when you mix the cream, it looks like this pinky. And it's not only about looks, it tastes absolutely fantastic.
Yes.
Yummy.
This is winter dish.
So the cream gives freshness to the dish, and the ribs are so soft and like the meat is falling apart. As I said, it's not all about the looks. It looks fantastic, but it tastes even better. So enjoy it! Bye!